Software development is changing faster than ever. Just a few years ago, we built software where users clicked buttons and the software responded. But today, we are entering a new era, an era where software doesn't just respond, it thinks, it reasons, it makes decisions, it collaborates with other AI systems, and it also works hard towards achieving the goal. And if you're learning how to build these AI systems today, you are among the early developers who will shape what the softwares look like over the next decade. Hi, my name is Ratan. I'm a senior software developer and an online instructor. And over the years, I've taught more than 50,000 students here on Udemy through my practical and project based courses. And in this course, you're going to build an end to end agentic AI system from scratch with Django and deploy it on a production server. Imagine a customer sends a message to a tech support team. Where is my order? An AI agent receives that message, understands the request, checks the database, finds the order, verifies the delivery status, and responds using real company data. In other words, is doing the same job a human support agent would normally do, but entirely on its own, 24/7 without a sick leave. Now the customer asks for a refund. You know, level 1 customer support agents are not allowed to provide or approve the refund. They have to escalate the case to the manager or the higher authority team. We do exactly the same thing here. The first AI agent escalates the case to another AI agent that's acting as a manager. This manager agent has more responsibility, more decision making authority, and he will decide whether the refund should be approved, rejected, or escalated further. But there's a problem. What if the customer is suspicious? What if the customer is trying to abuse the system? That's where our third AI agent comes in. The manager calls a third AI agent whose only responsibility is fraud detection. The fraud agent investigates the customer's behavior and sends back the verdict, and then manager makes the final decision. We are going to build three AI agents, different responsibilities, working together, talking to each other, sharing information, making decisions just like a human team. And you are going to build every part of it. That's not all. Real companies have the company policies, they have the company documents, they have the FAQs, they have the refund policies, they have their internal knowledge bases. But you know what? AI agents cannot just guess the answers. They need access to real information. That's why you'll also build a RAG system with ChromaDB that allows our AI agents to search company documents and answer questions based on actual policies and documentation. And while all of this is happening, you will watch everything live. Every decisions the agents are making, every tool call, every database lookup, every interaction between agents, all visible through a real-time monitoring dashboard. Now let's talk about frameworks. Many courses jump into LangChain, Crew AI, or AutoGen or other frameworks. But we are not starting there. First, we are going to build the core system ourselves. You'll understand how agents communicate, how the tool works, how workflows are orchestrated, how memory works, and how RAG actually operates behind the scenes. Once we have built all of that ourselves, in a future update, I'll show you how LangChain does the same thing, so it will be easy for you to pick up LangChain if you ever need it. As a prerequisite, all you need is just a basic knowledge of Django, like how models, views, and template works. No machine learning or AI knowledge required. So with that said, if you're ready to build the next generation of software applications, enroll in this course. I'll see you inside.